Europe needs to be united as one power. So in 25 years, in 2050, we will all live in a strong EU in a peaceful world.
A timely recommendation at the plenary of the Conference on the Future of Europe, where representatives of European citizens' panels championed their ideas for tomorrow's EU. Foreign Affairs was centre stage in Strasbourg, as the conference plenary heard from Ukrainian lawmakers, NGO members and citizens invited to speak about the war in their homeland.
Right now, as I speak, Ukrainians are fighting for our European values. Today, I'm asking you for your support in our common struggle.
The EU's place in the world was among the issues brought into sharper focus as panel representatives debated 88 recommendations with members of European and national parliaments, EU institutions, trade unions and stakeholders. Other topics included jobs, social justice and how to foster a stronger, more ethical economy.
We want stricter rules for the import of products into the EU. For example, we want all producers to comply to human rights and to be devoid of child labour.
Citizens also put forward their ideas on youth and culture, the digital transformation and the rules governing EU borders.
Panel 4 empfiehlt weiterhin eine vollständige Überarbeitung aller Abkommen und Gesetze, die Asyl und Einwanderung in Europa regeln. Hier sollte ein gesamteuropäischer Ansatz gewählt werden.
Plenary is set to turn the panel's recommendations into concrete proposals.
The conclusions of this conference will need to reflect the ongoing tragedy in Ukraine. It is clear the future will be different from what we could imagine only even a few weeks ago.